Hey guys, so to achieve this style, I'm going to be using 2 packs of the Kinky Coily clip-ins from Protective Styles Hair. These are my same clip-ins that I used in my last few videos. Be sure if you shop this hair to use my code AseaMae. I'll have everything linked down below. For this style, I'm going to be doing a very simple braided crown. Just 1 curved braid coming to the front, and then 3 curved braids going up to the top to form a ponytail. So I'm now mirroring that same exact pattern on the opposite side. This is my curved braid, and then I'm just going to do 3 small braids, well not small braids, but 3 braids going up to the top, and these are going to form my ponytail. I'm going to leave a little oval shaped braid in the middle, which I'm going to decorate with rubber bands. So once I've gotten those 3 braids done, now I'm going to part this middle section into 4 parts. Now I'll have 4 squares, and each square I moisturized and then secured with a rubber band. Then once I have these 4 sections, I'm going to go ahead and braid this hair straight to the back. Then I'm going to take these clips and just decorate the part. So this is the completed look. So now I took a 3 clip piece of clip-in hair and I cut it into 2 pieces, and I'm just going to place it right behind those braids going in an upward direction. This is what it looks like from the back. So right there where my braids end is where I'm going to clip these 2 clips from the clip-in piece that I cut. And then that 3rd clip I'm going to actually put directly in the middle on top of the weft. And I'm going to secure that and clip that into place. Then once I've gotten everything nice and secure, I'm going to form this into a ponytail, and I'm just going to secure this with a rubber band. Now I do got some purple in my clip-in hair from that purple twist out. That is extremely hard to wash out, but who cares, it's still going to be cute. So now I'm going to take the ends of my braids and I'm going to just braid them around into a circle. Then I'm going to wrap it around, and then I'm going to secure it into place with a bobby pin. Now that I've gotten that bobby pinned, this little top section is going to be what falls over the hair to hide the wefts later on. So now we'll work on the back. We're going to keep it real simple today. I'm just going to part my hair directly down the middle. It don't even got to be cute, girl, because nobody's going to see it. And we're going to just braid this down. I'm doing an under braid. And the reason why I'm doing an under braid is because the braid will lie flat and it'll make it super easy to clip on the track. I love doing this pattern, just 2 straight to the back under braids. It works perfect. Just make sure that once you've gotten your under braid done, what you're going to do is just secure the ends of your hair with a bobby pin. Fold them up, and that's it. It's real easy. And you want to make sure that the bobby pin is pinned underneath the braid. That way everything is still nice and flat. And I like to also bobby pin both of the middle of the braids together. Now I'm going to use this Irresistible Me curling wand. This is one of my favorite curling wands, and I'm going to take the smallest attachment that it has, and I'm going to just go ahead and do this on 350 degrees. Make sure you wear a glove, girl, because you do not want to burn your hand, and you're definitely going to need your hand to get close to that iron. So now what I'm going to do is brush out the hair and then wrap the hair around the wand, and I'm just going to hold it for about 30 seconds or so till the hair is warm to the touch or hot to the touch. Then I'm going to remove it and hold it into place. That way it can cool while you slowly drop it down. And really I only hold it into place for like a second or 2. And then you just drop it down. And as you can see, it forms a nice tight curl, and look how juicy it looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the installation process. All I do is go side to side until I reach the top. The beginning portion was out of focus, so I didn't even bother to include it. But as you can see, I'm literally just clipping it in. Be sure to check out my other clip-in tutorials if you want to see like the entire process, but I do it the same way I always do. And with this style, you do not actually need a track to be flipped over at all, because the hair from the ponytail is going to cover up these tracks in the back. So now it's time to work on the ponytail, and we're just going to go ahead and clip in some more clip-ins, just going around the ponytail and clip them in a downward motion. Don't clip them upward. I'm just literally clipping these on that braid that we braided around into a circle, and I'm adding in a few one clip pieces to give me a little bit more fullness. Once I've got those in, I'm just going to curl that top portion and blend everything together. So again, I'm going to take really small sections and just wrap it around the wand. Be sure to hold it and then slowly release it while holding it into place, and then boom, that's it. Just continue to do this until you've completed your entire ponytail. And now we're going to do our edges. I love to use the Eco Styler Black Seed and Black Castor Oil Gel, and I just lay it down. That's the trick, lay the edges down. And then I accessorize the side tube braids, and this is the finished look. I really love this style. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you give this style a try, and be sure to check the description box for all links. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.